Watch the process of making rice cookers in Japan. Finally understood. Why can't domestic electrical appliances compare with Japanese electrical appliances? The price is as high as 5 figures. Manufacturing is as difficult as making chips. Many features also make it mysterious. This is Japan's largest smart appliance factory. The first step to making a rice cooker. The worker first takes out the middle plastic cover from the box. Place on the operating table. Then install the annular metal gaskets on the upper and lower sides. Then move to the automatic processing platform. After placing, mechanized tools will provide reinforcement without blind spots. Don't miss any point. This also indirectly reduces the yield rate and effectively improve product qualification rate. Next, install the metal reinforcement steel ring. This layer of steel can increase the strength of the plastic. Then, at a speed of 1 screw per second, tighten all the screw holes. Since it is an electric screwdriver, so it is very efficient in reinforcing screws. It only takes a few moments to install a cover. The further forward you go, the more you will enter the next stage. Here the workers take out the circuit board from the box and install FSC flat wire on one side. This is a flexible cable used to control electrical appliances. This type of line can save space and greatly improve the safety of core components. Then put the circuit cover on it. Use an electric screwdriver to reinforce the edges. Tighten apart and it's done. The following thing is the core of the rice cooker. This is also the most mysterious part of the whole video. This is the bottom heater. This accessory adopts multi-point circulation heating mode, can conduct 10% heat energy to the entire pot, so that the rice is moderately soft. It is said that the taste is better than ordinary rice cookers. It will be an assembly line operation with up to 30 people. That is, these 30 people, everyone does one thing. If there is a defect in any link, this can be traced back to the employee. Then the workers installed the heating cover. This thing is still used in most of the country. Single point heating. Affordable and good quality. If you don't tell me this is a rice cooker made in Japan, I guess many people will think of Musk's brain-computer interface. After all, few countries will use electric rice cookers. Achieve a 5-digit price. Install the retractable power cord below. The main feature is a small size that does not take up space. No need to worry about external power cord anymore. The next employee then installs the metal bracket. Inverted on the power cord. Can protect wires from misalignment. Then tighten the 3 high-quality screws. It is said that the price of each cross is equivalent to 3 renminbi. Then install the cooling fan on one side. Fans can reduce heat between wires. Then connect the wires to the circuit board. Next you can install the rice cooker shell. First, stick the insulation strip on one side of the plastic shell, then clip it onto the power cord. Just a click and it will fit snugly. The workers here took out the upper control cover from the box. Check the surface for scratches and blemishes. Then combine with the lower part. Now comes the weirdest part. There are more than 10 optical lines. Employees need to rely on memory to reinforce all locations, then tighten with screws. Then he took out a circuit board with a battery. Connect the power cord with the rice cooker. It can be connected to the power supply. Why install an external battery? Then the worker buckled the rear cover on it. Judging from this appearance, there seem to be only 3 buttons on the rice cooker. Reservation, heating and insulation, plus an LCD screen. Just such a smart rice cooker. How can it be sold for nearly 5 figures? Then the workers put the brand on it. A rice cooker worth 5 figures is now completed. Entering the final packaging stage. First, place the measuring cup in the pot, then put the instruction manual inside and how to use it. The instruction manual is also very strange. It will tell you how to add water and rice. How many meters should be put each time? How much water should be added each time? What water goes with what rice? Let's take a look at the final test phase. The traditional pot on the left will loosen the food when heated. More flavor on the right. The food is cooked and complete. Still the same. Prepare to enter the final test phase. The rice is steamed in a blink of an eye. Ready to serve and see how the rice turns out. No color change. Still white. The above is the whole process of manufacturing smart rice cooker. If it's you, would you spend 5 figures on a pot like this?